Money Nation, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing the different ways you can make money using your cargo van or box truck as an independent courier. This is a video segment just on that particular topic. If you're new to the channel, I do have different segments on different topics, whether it be money making opportunities, Forex, business credit, or personal credit. So this segment is really a money making opportunity to go ahead and take that leap as an independent contractor, becoming an independent courier with a box truck or cargo van or something of that nature. Before we get started, as always, if you can hit that red subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, it really help me out. Hit the like button if you like my videos or this particular video and it give you some value. Share it with somebody that you do value. If you are already subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell. With that being said, let's get going. Hey, hey. Alright, so as always, I put together a nice little Google Doc sheet just detailing everything I'm going to talk about and the information that I have to present to you guys. So these are the different ways you can make money using your cargo van or box truck, and how much you can expect to make per day or per hour or per haul. The first way you want to look into, and I'll do videos detailing how to find these particular ways, different contracts and jobs you can find using these methods. But for now, let's talk about the overall scope of what you can do and how much you can expect to earn. The first one is making retail deliveries, right? So think about small businesses like appliance stores or Lowe's, Home Depot, furniture stores, and this way is basically making deliveries for them of large items that customers that end up buying those cannot actually put it in their car and take it home. So if I buy a sofa from the furniture store, I'm not able to put it in my sedan and take it home. Somebody has to deliver that. So this is kind of going out there and talking to these these furniture stores and putting a business contract together to make those deliveries for them for a fee. Or you have places like Home Depot and Lowe's where they also have different deliveries of appliances, refrigerators, washing machines, and other large items that need to be delivered. And I know they actively give out contracts to different couriers to be able to make those deliveries that you may need a box truck for. But this is something that you can look into as far as making retail deliveries with your cargo van or box truck. And how much you can expect to make with this is somewhere between $40 to $300 per delivery. And this depends on the item and who you're working with, right? So the $300 scale, you're probably looking at working with Home Depot and Lowe's and making deliveries of refrigerators, washing machines, big huge items like that, and that would probably require a box truck, maybe a lift gate with a lift gate, and of course you need your dolly and things like that. But so this is one way to do it, is making retail deliveries, reaching out to local businesses and big retail companies to make the deliveries on their behalf. This would be something where you would need a contract, right? So you would be an independent contractor for these businesses, and this would most likely be a per delivery case. So this is not going to be a daily route. The second thing that you can look into is a hauling service, okay? So a hauling service is basically where you come to an establishment or somebody's personal residence and you haul away old items, right? Old, bigger items. Or it might be a bunch of smaller items, but that they need to get rid of, something that they cannot obviously get rid of themselves in their personal car. So a lot of businesses often have old office chairs, tables, bigger items in the offices that they cannot personally take out to the trash in the back, or have somebody be able to transport that to the dump. So hauling this off, I personally have did this and made hundreds of dollars a day. And I've done this with a cargo van, right? So that's something that you can look into. And then also people have personal items that they want to haul off to the trash that they're not using anymore, old furniture, mattress, tables and chairs. A lot of places do not allow you just to throw that type of stuff right in the trash can. A lot of personal resident homes don't have those industrial sized trash cans like apartment complexes do for them to dump it in that area. So this is something that you can look into doing. This is not something where there's a contract or a personal route that you'll be doing every day. This will be per haul, right? So you can expect to make anywhere from $30 to $200 per haul, depending on the size of the haul that you're picking up, meaning depending on how much junk that you're picking up from the customer, whether it be an establishment or a personal residence. All right, so the next one is Amazon Deliveries. This is not my favorite one, but it is an option. So Amazon has something called Amazon Flex, where you can use your smartphone and your vehicle and do routes for Amazon, right? Deliver packages for Amazon. They have what's called blocks. You can pick up blocks which contain a certain amount of packages and a route that you got to deliver to. So this is not a daily thing either, but you can pick up blocks at any point. It is competitive. There is a lot of Amazon Flex drivers. And as you can see, it doesn't pay as much, right? So this is on the lower side of the payment scale. But this is something you can use to fill in your day. If if you're busy, if you're not as busy, this is something you can probably pick up and do. And you can expect to make anywhere from $18 to $25 per hour doing Amazon Flex. And then the final one is becoming a delivery driver for third-party load providers. So think of these people as like Uber, Lyft. So they have a platform which they get loads and distribute to the people that is on their platform. So you pick up loads on the app, you'll get jobs, notifications for jobs, how much it's going to pay, how long, how many miles it is, how many pieces of packages that you're delivering. So it gives you all the details and gives you the options to accept or decline that particular job. So again, this is not one where it's a contract, but you can pick it up as whenever you want, right? So this gives you the opportunity and option to of your schedule. And it pays you a good amount, right? So this pays, I think this might be second highest in the scale. It pays anywhere from $42 to $67 per hour. They usually cover the insurance, the cargo insurance that's usually required. That's another great thing about it. And they also kind of have their own insurance, vehicle insurance, set up. Not all of them, but some of the companies do. You don't have to deal with customers. You don't have to deal with small businesses. They deal with that side of things. All you have to worry about is actually getting the package and delivering it to where it needs to be delivered to. These are pretty popular amongst independent couriers. So this is another great one that you want to look into. So overall, you have plenty of options to exercise as far as making money using your cargo van or box truck. And we'll go into details of some of these places. And I haven't even mentioned, looking for different contracting opportunities with DHL, USPS, Amazon itself, not Amazon Flex, but Amazon. And there's plenty of other ones, smaller ones that you can look into, Advance Auto, Staples, and so on that I mentioned in earlier videos. But yeah, so that's it until the next video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick breakdown of that. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with somebody that you value if you found some value in it. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you already subscribed. I appreciate all the people that have subscribed to me. I drop videos like this 3 times a day, so make sure you stay tuned. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, hey.